think you ain't. That was wrong. Yo. But it's why I get that. There it is. That's why I get that. I like that funny boy, yeah. Boy, this guy looking so wrong today. You did not see that. I was trying to make sure the light didn't keep going up. Woo! Woo! Let me get one more. Max make out, Chad. Oh! That was wrong. Did you see that? That was wrong. I ain't seen that one. Watch my video, but I ain't seen that.
Nah, that was all Marvin.
You go to the last YouTube video I just never mind. I ain't gonna put y'all there like that. Go ahead. He my little homie. He can take whatever I got.
What's his comp name?
J-Dash.
No, it's
J-Dash.
Doll. Huh? No, Ragdoll.
Who?
That's his name? Rag Kid.
No, his name is J-Dash Avalanche.
His
He's
name is
definitely under me.